What's up, everybody? We got a nice little a five boxer of Panini products is what I'm calling this one. So, Rookies and Stars, Prizm, Prestige, Spectra, and Black Gold. Yeah, wait, just email me and just let me know if you need anything. I'll include it in any shipment. Don't worry about it. All right, guys, so here we go. Here are the participants. We got Ways in for one. Smashers, you're in for one. Tank's in for one. Erkel's coming in for the first time. Thank you very much, Quince. Buddha's in for two. Syrianna, you're in for one. And Paul's in for one. All right, guys. Here we go. So let's random the divisions first. I got AFC West on the top, NFC South on the bottom. I jumble them up every different time, every single way, just differently. So it, yeah, that's how I do it. Just a fun way of doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I got NFC West on the top and AFC West on the bottom. There we go, guys. All right, so those are the divisions. Here are the names. We got Jushal on the top and Paul's on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got Buddha on the top. Way, you're on the bottom. There we go. Let me put them in the spreadsheet and I'll show you guys a better way. Obviously, it'll have your names right next to the division. So give me 1 second, guys. And paste. Okay, here we go. So, NFC West goes to Buddha. AFC North goes to Urkel. AFC South goes to Smashers, which is a division that hits like crazy. Buddha goes to NFC South. NFC East goes to Paul. There you go, baby. Syrianna takes the NFC North. AFC East is Tank. And Jushal, you got the AFC West. AFC West. Here we go, guys. So to clean it up, Buddha, you got the NFC West and NFC South. That's pretty much cleaning it up because everybody else has got one. All right, guys, there we go. Any trades? Any trades at all? Who's got the AFC East? Tank, you might want to, would Kenny might want to trade? You'll take 2 of the 5-star, Tank? Hell yes, dude. Tank, just send me over 200. Send me over 200. Don't send me 210, okay? I only got 2 left in the 5-star. And Paul, I'm going to tell you right now, we didn't get Odell Beckham in the case. Like I said, my fantasy golf team worked out very well today. If I took the one damn guy, I would have made $1,000 bucks. But I went against it. So I'm feeling an Odell Beckham in this, all right? We're feeling Odell Beckham. The NFC North killed it. Oh my God. It just kept coming out. It didn't stop. That's what she said. Buddha. Buddha, you got the NFC West and NFC South. It's not a bad divisions, man. NFC West and NFC South. Yeah, man, Paul, Paul, that's why, my friend, you should get the last 2 in 5-star and be done with it because you know that you're gonna murder those 2 boxes of 5-star, right? Let me go grab the 2 boxes of 5-star. I'll put them up here for you guys, okay? To tempt you on those last 2 spots. Got 5-star. All right, so no trades, anybody? Everybody good with what they have so far? Everybody good. Once again, I'll just quickly go over the list again. Way, you got the AFC West. Tank, you got the AFC East. Syrianna, you got the NFC North. Paul, you have the NFC East. NFC South and West. NFC South and West go to Buddha. Smashers, you got the AFC South and AFC North. Erkel. Thanks, Quince. Yeah, Paul. Yep, you're good, my friend. Send it on over. Down to 1 in the 5-star. Okay. All right, let's do it. Guys, we're gonna save these two for last, because obviously those are the nicer ones. So what would we like to do first? What would we like to do first? Rookies and Stars, Tank? You got it. Guys, I'm gonna put on just a little bit of music. I'm not gonna put it on very loud. Just, I'm having a good night tonight. I think tonight's gonna be a really good night breaking these divisions for you guys. I won't put it on loud because probably half of y'all won't like the shit, so I don't want to put it on too loud. Or actually, you know what? I can't freaking do that because, yeah, let's just not keep it on. We'll not do that. So anyways, rookies and stars. Here we go, rookie stars. I'll keep that five star off to the side. We got one spot left on the 5-star. One spot left. That's it. And we're done. All right, guys, let me switch off the camera. So, yeah, you got it, Kenny. You got it, Kenny. By that time you get home, you should be into the 5-star. So let's do it. I'm gonna take off the camera for my wonderful, oh so wonderful face. Here we go, guys. Let's do it. Good luck, y'all. Syrianna, thanks for joining in. Tank, thanks for coming back, baby. Quincy, good luck. Good luck, first timers, and good luck, regulars. Everything ships in these division mixers, not just hits or whatever. Everything ships. So you guys are gonna get all the base cards that go along with this, okay? All right, sit back, relax. Let's open this up, and then we'll get to it, okay? Once again, last time we opened up Rookies and Stars, it was a nice box. I'm hoping for much the same. Oops. And per Panini as usual, they make you work at opening packs for their cards. Guys, one left in the 5-star. Only one. That's it. Yes, yeah, Kenny. I'm taping right now, my friend. Yes, I did. Yep, I am recording, so no worries. Thank you for keeping tabs though, because I know that's what you're saying. Make sure I'm recording. No, yeah, I am. All good. All good. Buddha, my electric bill is pretty damn high at the house right now, because I got to keep on a couple lights here. So I appreciate that, all right? I appreciate that. Guys, one spot left in the 5-star. Who wants it? I'll tell you what. One spot left in the 5-star. I'll knock it down. $100 takes the last spot. $100. Who wants it? Oh, Buddha. Next weekend is going to be beautiful. The division mixers next weekend for baseball, you're going to lose your mind. What's 5-star, Buddha? A little bit of this action. I personally think this is possibly the most underrated high end product to come out this year. I think it just has great autos in it. I really do. I don't think there's one. I haven't come across a box break yet where there's been crappy autos. A hundo for the last spot if anybody wants it. Let's do it. You're in, Buddha? All right, there we go. We're breaking it. We got Kadeem Carey. It's a little Blue Crusade Prizm there. Got here Jason Morrow. Jason Morrow for the AFC East out of 299. 153 of 299. Yeah, Tank, that's the best part about it, man. Everything is on card. That's the best part, Buddha. Everything's on card, my friend. And again, there are no scrubs. I don't think there are any scrub autos that you can pull out of 5-star. Go here. Kyle Fuller out of 99 for the Bears. 76 of 99, Kyle Fuller. Go. Crusade Kelvin Benjamin. Oh, wow. I told you guys, I said I'm feeling good, right? I'm feeling so good. This is a beautiful patch out of 25. Odell Beckham. Numbered 18. 18 of 25. Odell Beckham. Yes, sir. There you go, Paul. Odell Beckham. Crusade of Anquan Bolden. Very nice start. That's a solid start right there. That'll get you some change back. Greg Robinson. Greg Robinson's the auto. Base auto. NFC West. Oop. Almost went by that one. We got a Z-Met out of 25. Zach Mettenberger out of 25. It's a nice little low numbered card right there. 22 out of 25. Zach Mettenberger. Very nice. Crusade Russell Wilson. All right, on the second half of the box. Here we go. Richard Sherman Crusade. Richard Sherman. Shoot, dude. Carlos Hyde. Carlos Hyde out of 99. 31 of 99. Go. Trent Richardson. Cody Latimer, Crusade. AFC West, Cody Latimer. You got it, Buddha. Thanks, brother. AJ McCarron. AJ McCarron, not numbered. Jersey relic. AFC North. Ooh, AFC North. Crusade of Marquise Lee. And that looks to be it. Out of rookies and stars. All right, so rookie and stars. Not a bad start at all. Prizm or Prestige, guys. Prizm or Prestige. Let's get those out of the way. Prizm or Prestige. Prestige worldwide. Wide. Favorite part of the movie is when they're making the bunk beds. And he jumps on the bunk bed and he's like, oh my God. Let's do Prizm next. Let's do Prizm. All right, here we go. Panini Prizm in the 5-box Panini mixer. Little Panini Prizm. All right, so 5-star is all set. We're going to break 2 boxes of 5-star little division mixer. That's going to be awesome. And then, once again, if anybody is interested, I'll throw it out there. The 2013 division mixer. I'll tell you what, I'll knock it down to 70 per or 120 for 2. I'll knock it down to 70 or I'm sorry, 70 or 125 for 2 on the 213. I'll knock it down. So if anybody's interested in that, 70 and 125. Sorry, do that. Oop. There we go. Go. Alright, so here's Prizm. We'll get to Prestige next. And then we'll do the 2 high-enders. I believe that's the last box of black gold that I got left. I think there might be one more in the shop, but anyways. Alright, here we go. Andre Williams. This is the Panini Gold. Believe the Hype, Derek Carr. Believe the Hype, Derek Carr. First autograph is of Josh Huff. Josh Huff for the Eagles. Oh yeah, man, that was a good one for you, dude. That was a real good one, Josh Huff. And division mixers are always tasty. They're always tasty. I love doing them, man. Love doing them. Air Marshals, Matt Stafford. As everybody knows, they are very tasty. We got Chris Johnson for the Jets. These are out of 125. Numbered, what's that, 12 of 125. That freaking immaculate case, that was pretty cool. Flip it over this way. What do we got here? Greatest of all time, Brett Favre and Peyton Manning. So this will have to get random sizzled. I'll random sizzle this one off. AFC North and NFC West. What we got here? Intros, Ray Lewis. Ray. We got a tie-dye. And I know these sell really well. The Legion of Boom. That sells nice. And we got a tie-dye Ace Sanders for the Jags. These are out of 25. Hell yeah, man. Congrats on the new job, dude. Still going to do the stuff on the side. 5 of 25. Ace Sanders. I got a Prizm of ASJ. Prizm of ASJ. There you go. Yeah, that is a nice Legion, by the way. Those don't come out very often. Sammy Watkins. And Kiko Alonso gold border. Panini label gold border. We got Teddy B die cut. Fresh faces. A green yellow of Logan Thomas. Green yellow. Very nice. Prime Finest and Strata. What we got here? Hands team, Jimmy Graham. Jimmy Graham. Tom Brady. This card will sell very nicely. Tom Brady for the AFC East. Tommy B. What we got here? This one's not numbered? I thought these were numbered. Interesting. It'll still sell for $7. Tommy B. Maybe I think that's only the jumbo that I'm looking at them. Aaron Donald. Aaron Donald for the Rams. Out of 25. Wow. Let's focus. Let's focus, guys. There we go. 22 of 25. Aaron Donald. That's obviously the Rams like Prizm. Come on. There we go. There's the focus. I knew it worked somehow. Aaron Donald. That's obviously got to be like the Rams variation or something like that. The Bus. Green yellow Prizm. Jerome Bettis. What we got here? Greg Jennings. And rounding it off. Devin Street for the Cowboys. That's out of 99. 51 of 99, Devin Street. I think these are really cool. These like silver waves. I like these a lot. I wish they were numbered less than that. Alright, and last up is intros. RG3. And that's it for Prizm. Alright, here we go with Prestige. Prestige coming up. And this will be the last of like the 20-pack boxes. Then we go down to Black Gold and Spectra. Prestige does have a box topper. We do have box toppers. So we'll get into that. Oh, it's going to topple over. That box is empty. Box topper. Let's get an auto. How about an AJ McCarron 5 of 5? I can't even get it in the picture, but this is numbered 5 of 5, AJ McCarron. How about numbered 5 of 5? You guys see that? There we go. 5 of 5 box topper. What do you know? AJ McCarron, AFC North, and this will go to Smashers. And he's not even online right now, but that's pretty dope. That's awesome. All right, guys, here we go. Prestige. Prestige. Even the number 1 pick is still up in the air, right? I mean, they're not sold on Winston. Am I correct by saying that? I think they're still not sold on him. They're saying that, and I don't know. I mean, well, maybe on paper, Paul, it is, but I don't see how it is. You had 4 rookie wide receivers last year. 4 rookie wide receivers that absolutely tore up the pros, like nobody's ever seen before. So there better be some ridiculously high expectations for these people then. I think it's possibly the best ever. Yes, you're correct. It's the best wide receiver class to ever come through. I mean, I'm only 29 years old, and I don't remember any wide receiver class being any better. Paul, you got to be older than me, so I'm not saying that is a bad thing, but you got to remember farther than I do. Yeah, see? And we haven't, and this is the best. Do you understand that the best part about last year's draft, 2014, we haven't even begun to see any of the quarterbacks yet. Do you realize that? We haven't seen one of them in like real good action. So we don't even know what we're expecting with them yet either. How about that? You could possibly say 2014 will go down in history as the best draft class to ever walk through the doors. You think Bortles is going to be a stud, Adam, because you're from Jacksonville and you need him to be a stud. Otherwise, your team is just going to be even more awful than it already is. All right, guys, here we go. All right, right off the box, a Shaq Evans autograph. Wonderful Shaq Evans red points autograph. This is the red extra points. Shaq Evans. Jets. The Jets on that one. Prestigious picks. Flip this around. A Shane Vereen, purple. Purple. On a hundo. 44 out of 100. Who did Tampa get with the first pick again this past year? Odell Beckham rode to the NFL. Sammy Watkins rode to the NFL. Draft picks 2014, Derek Carr. Baber, give me a little bit of time. I still got 2014 right there. So give me another hour, if that's okay. I will send you the link. You're Baber 121 on eBay, right? I'll send you the link, buddy. No problem. Telvin Smith, red. Yeah, Baber, then I'll do that for you, bud. No problem. I'll send you the link. Oop, we got a clear of Jordy Nelson. A clear of Keenan Allen. Got an Eli Manning clear. Captain's patch. Jimmy G. Draft picks, Trey Mason. DeAnthony Thomas. DeAnthony Thomas for the Chiefs. Base auto prestige. AFC West. DeAnthony Thomas. Followed by prestigious picks, Blake Bortles. Keep it going. Mike Evans draft picks. Kevin Norwood. Kevin Norwood. Nothing big yet. Oh yeah, Smashers. You had the AFC North, right? You have the AFC North, correct? You got this. The box topper, and you're like, oh yeah, just a box topper, whatever. No, it's not just a box topper. It's numbered 5 of 5. Big boy card, numbered 5 of 5. AJ McCarron. Prestigious picks, Odell Beckham. Yeah, here. Jordan Matthews, 2-color patch. Jordan Matthews. Oh, you have AFC South? I think you said AFC North. You have the AFC North. There you go. Quince, I'm sorry, dude. Well, there you go. Come on, Jordan Matthews. There we go. 2-color Jordan Matthews. That's a little too big for that one. Prestigious picks. Didn't mean to throw that one at you. Jeremy Hill. A number 1, Troy Aikman. Rode to the NFL, Bishop Saints. How about this? I even saw this too, and I'm like, this reflection is really dark. Really, really dark, right? And I'm like, number 1, Cam Newton. How about that? Numbered 8 of 10. Cam, number 1, 8 of 10. Shebang. was like, man, that thing's really dark in the reflection. It can't be. Something's got to be wrong with it, right? Jalen Saunders, red. Well, congrats, Quince. I'm glad that you're happy to pull that one. There's still got to be some more left for you, bud. Arian Foster. All right, here we go. I'm gonna do. So, what do we want? Spectra or black gold first? You guys pick Spectra or black gold first. And then we're gonna get into 5-star after that. Okay. Oh, there we go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo gets tagged by the toe with God, then go out, goes by OU. So we're gonna do Spectra first. Here we go. This is just a one boxer. This is how all case breaks should be. They just come in a box like that, straight up. Pop the tab on it and just open them up. Love this. All right, here we go, guys. Ooh, I think we might have hit something nice for the autos back there. Definitely hit something nice here. A little Odell Beckham. All right. So, 2 base cards for the Giants. Frank Gifford. It's out of 75. And out of 75 should be Martellus Bennett as well. Yep. Martellus Bennett and Frank Gifford. Okay, let me move this stuff out of the way. Let me get the platinum rearranged here. It's like all over the place. There we go. Okay. Now we're good to go. Okay. Bernard Pierce. It's not numbered. It's just a variation card they put in the back there or something. It's pretty ridiculous. Out of 49, Bernard Pierce. These are out of 49, the Blues. I don't know why I'm trying to fit it in a regular one. $22 of 49. Jake Matthews. These are out of 25. Jake Matthews out of 25. Number 2 of 25. Zach Stacy. Zach Stacy out of 25. $14 of 25. Cornerstones. Lance Briggs. Lance Briggs Cornerstones. There we go, Buddha. I'm going to keep them. I'll keep them coming. 37 of 49, Lance Briggs. Kadeem Carey out of 199. Kadeem Carey out of 199. Jadeveon Clowney. Jadeveon Clowney out of 199. Building Blocks jersey. Another out of 199, Jeremy Hill. Next up, we got a teammates. A teammates out of 49. $27 of 49. For the Dolphins, it's a little Mike Wallace and Brian Hartline action. Mike Evans jersey. Mikey Evans jersey. This guy's out of 199. Another Odell Beckham for you. Building blocks jersey. That's out of 199, numbered 56 of 199. Another Odell Beckham for you. Keep it going. AJ McCarron, there you go. AJ McCarron, there we go, Quince. Patch. This is out of 149, numbered 135 of 149. There you go. AJ McCarron. Rajion Neal. Rajion Neal for the Packers. This is out of 149. Little filler auto here. Shane Scove. Shane Scove. 6 of 25. There we go. 6 of 25. Shane Scove. NFC West. And pretty cool auto. Antonio Gates. You don't see much of his stuff around anymore. How we doing, Rocket? Pretty good, bud. Got some division breaks here. This is what we're doing right now, division breaks. Numbered out of 10. 9 of 10. Antonio Gates. AFC West. There we go, Way. How we doing? Rocket, we got a division. We got the only division that we got left, division break we got left, is what you see on the top of the screen, a 2013 division break. 70 per, 2 for 125. All right, black gold for the 5-box Panini mixer, black gold. One, two, done. No problem, Rocket. No problem, man. Sit back, relax, and watch then. We got some 5-star coming up next. 2 boxes of 5-star division break. Go. First up, out of 99, Teddy B and Jerick McKinnon. '86 of 99. Close out the Mavericks, huh? Dree Archer out of 199. Dree Archer out of 199. 198 of 199. Drizzy. Go. Out of 99, Devontae Adams. That's a nice 3-colored patch there. 55 of 99, Devontae Adams. Hey, my Celtics got swept in the playoffs. I wasn't expecting anything much out of them anyways. So, out of 199, Megatron. 155 of 199, Megatron. There we go. Team symbols, DeMarco Murray. It's at a 149. DeMarco Murray. Nah, I didn't want that to happen though. I wanted Kevin Love to win something, right? Tom Brady and Jimmy G out of 149. Tommy B and Jimmy G. 126 of 149. There we go. That's not a bad card. And then we got AFC and NFC West going to have to random sizzle this one off. 32 of 99. Smashes like, sure, why not? Jason Barrett and Marion Grice. I thought Marion Grice was on the freaking Chargers, not the Cardinals. I gotta grab some 130 point. Hold on 1 second. Penny. Alright, here we go. Marion Grice, Jason Barrett. Duel. We got an Odell Beckham out of 199. 64 of 199, Odell Beckham. And Robbie Gronk out of 99. 44 of 99. Gronk. Alright, guys, that is it for the little 5-boxer Panini mixer. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much for everybody joining in.